I gotta change all three of these. The resident wants all new, so that's what I'm gonna do. Start by turning off our water here. I already shut the cold. That's off. So let's start popping these guys out. First thing is first with these. Gotta get these little indicator caps off. And then you got the screws right behind them. Yeah, they're all loose too. I mean, the handles aren't bad. I'll probably save them for another apartment. I'll clean them up. I mean, it doesn't look awful. So, alright. Let me get two hands, get this off, I'll get back to you. Okay. It's all off. Clean those up. Next thing is get in here. We'll see how tight these guys are. Alright, let's start on this. Okay, that's a new seat. New seat, new seat. New. This, unfortunately, gotta get a new one because this is all corroded inside there, so I gotta buy a new one. Yeah. So let me get this last one in, put that back, and then I gotta go run to the hardware store and get another spout. Alright guys, all the new handles are on. I had to go run to the hardware store and get a brand new tub spout. I did get two different nipples just in case this doesn't catch, but we'll find out right now if this guy's gonna catch it. I don't think he is, which that's an issue. So I'm gonna have to put a longer nipple. We'll try that. Yeah, I had to put the new nipple in. It's too short, so now this should catch perfectly because I remember putting a 5.5 in my bathroom. Yep, look at that. Look at that. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to. I could put some caulking there. I'm gonna try and get if I can turn this pipe in a little more. That should do it. We'll try that. Alright, I got that last turn. All good, and they're dripping, all brand new. Job complete.